Hi, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today I want to talk about know when to take the loss. Okay, but first I want to say if you have any business litigation concerns, want to talk about a potential case, please contact me. Go to jdelaw.nyc/consult. That's jdelaw.nyc/consult to book a 10-minute phone or a 30-minute in-person consultation with me. Now, knowing when to take a loss, okay, it's about knowing when the case is against you. All right, I've tons of times clients will come to me and they don't understand why they have a losing case. Okay, and that's my job. Okay, attorneys are also called counselors at law because we have to counsel you in your best options and what's the best thing for you. Okay, so for example, in my case, I have someone who is going to lose a contract case. Okay, they just don't have a chance to win it. They're, at the end of the day, the defenses that we could possibly raise just aren't good enough. The court's gonna, court's gonna not care, basically. So I'm trying to get my client to settle for what I think is a good amount of money, a fair amount of money, and it's going to save them money. And my job is also to counsel not to nickel and dime this settlement to where you piss off the other side and they won't settle, right? Because I know if I was the plaintiff's attorney, I would make my motion right away to win the case, motion for summary judgment. And again, that's where you tell a court that you are going to, that based on the evidence and the documentation, there's no point in going to trial. You win. All right. Will they win on motion for summary judgment before discovery is done? That's where you have to exchange information, be deposed by a court reporter. I think it's possible, maybe even likely. But the further you get into a litigation case, the less likely someone is to settle for a lower amount, right? The more they have to pay an attorney, the more they have to, the more effort they put into the case, the less likely they are to settle for half or a quarter or whatever they may have settled for in the beginning. So as someone who's being sued and you don't have a good case, you have to know when the proper time is and the proper way to get out of the case for as little money as possible, but so you don't end up paying more money later on. Okay, so again, that's why attorneys are counselors at law. It's our job to help you gather the best strategy to get you out of the case for the least amount of money or whatever it is in your favor. Now, also just to let you know, as a client, attorneys can't force you into a settlement, right? We can't tell you what to do. We can counsel you, but we can't make you do it. You have 100% settlement say. So, also don't let an attorney bully you and saying you have to take the settlement. No, we recommend it, but you don't have to, okay? But again, it's all about knowing when to take the loss and save yourself money long term, right? Because you're also paying attorney fees to defend it. So are you going to spend $5,000 attorney's fees to try and save $5,000? Think about that. So again, if you have any questions, anything to do with business litigation, you want to discuss a case you may have, please go to jdelaw.nyc/consult. That's jdelaw.nyc/consult to book a 10-minute phone consultation or a 30-minute in-person consultation with me. Once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and have a happy Thanksgiving.